Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your frequent contacts. So what you want to do, just simply go to google.com, ensure that you sign into your Google account, click the apps on the upper right hand side, scroll down to contacts, click on that. Now here, this will have all your Google contacts. It doesn't only contain contacts that you've saved, but it also contains frequently contacted, and this could be people who you contact or you send emails to, or people who sent you emails very frequently. It will also capture the most recent accounts as well. So what you want to do, just simply look towards the left hand side and you will find from the many options your frequent. If you click on that, you will find a list of all the email addresses of people who contact you, or you contact those people. And as you can see, I have a list here. And that's it. This is how you can easily find your frequently contacted. So what you want to do, in case you find an email that you want to simply remove, let's say I want to go ahead and remove this Chris Gmail here, I can simply hover over it, go towards the right hand side of that contact, click the three dots and simply click delete, and just simply click delete again. And that's going to easily delete it for me. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.